perspective now, and Ajay Srivastava of Dimensions Consulting joins us. Ajay, political parties will take a stand for or against the poll numbers when it's convenient for them and it suits their purpose. But from a market perspective, given what we have seen, and crucially the state of Uttar Pradesh, which is the state that I know the markets are watching, how do you see the markets responding?
See, Shireen, if you look at the last few days, the market has been very nervous. And one of the reasons it's been nervous is that when it saw that BJP had to pull out the full artillery of cabinet ministers, prime minister, everybody into Varanasi, it was ringing some alarm bells that things are not okay on the ground. Otherwise, you won't need this kind of artillery for 5 assembly seats. That's what has kept the market nervous in the last few days, is that is the ground reality of UP, not necessarily what the market wants it to be. So therefore, the result of UP will kind of dictate the mood of the market, the sentiment in the market, and so on. Punjab, we all knew, has gone forever, and emergence of AAP is an important development. Goa looks to be a little more hung as it was. And if UP also gets into doldrum, then you're looking at a situation where the economic policies also to an extent start to come into question, that if BJP cannot justify these parties, these policies and get the votes from the people, the market starts to get jittery because will there be discontinuity? So market is focused very clearly that will this big gun firing all cylinders on.
Ajay, what would the market like to believe? Will the market like to believe what the Access India Today poll is throwing up and backed by the Chanakya poll, which is clearly giving the BJP 285? What is it that the market will latch on to tomorrow morning?
Market will latch on if we feel, and I think that's the confidence not here even today, even after the poll has come out, that even if they get a clear majority in UP, there will be a sigh of relief that yes, one big hurdle has been crossed. If it doesn't happen, I think there will be volatility in the market. There will be lots of doubts in the mind as to what the new equation is going to come around. So market, we don't want to see 285. 285 will take the market stratospheric levels because that just changes the dynamics of the market as well. If you get to BJP gets 285, you'll see an immediate upsurge in the market. I don't think people will believe the exit numbers, Shireen, tomorrow, but if the actual one comes, you should see a surge.
Yeah.
Right now, I think it's tenterhooks because you're running an exit poll from 165 to 285, and the guy who gave 285 didn't get it right last time. So there is a little bit of doubt on that one.
Yeah.